How ROI4Presenter could empower your marketing and sales efforts. Step 1. Add voice to your slides. Here we show how we upload presentation. Generate script. Generate voiceover. Generate avatar. Create link to it. Step 2. Enhance your outreach efforts. Here we show how to send presentations through Chrome extension in LinkedIn and Gmail. Step 3. Get more demo calls. Here we show how listener opens presentation link, the presenter gets notification, connects and conducts online presentation. Step 4. Attract more inbound leads. Here we show how we embed presentation to a web page, add lead form and get leads. Step 5. Get a detailed analytics on each session. Here we show analytics of ROI4Presenter. ROI4Presenter.com. Add an AI power to your sales.